Shibika Neupane, and I am really grateful for being able to give my speech on the pictorial elocution competition today. The topic I am going to be giving my speech on today is Facebook. I am pretty sure everyone here knows what Facebook is. It is the biggest social media app available. It has 5 billion downloads and over a billion of users. In all of our homes, Facebook is used by almost all of our family members, including many of us here. Facebook has helped us to stay connected with our friends and family members. It has brought the world closer and has taken communication to a whole new level. It has increased the demand and supply of internet. Facebook has helped us to make new friends. It has helped us to share the precious moments in our lives and also know about the precious moments of our loved ones. Facebook has given us various opportunities. It has helped us to know new people, to expand our boundaries, to learn new talents and learn about various new things. We can receive various types of news information through Facebook, and to know what is going on around the globe, Facebook has helped us for that also. We can receive entertainment from Facebook through the comedic and funny videos that you see on Facebook. But like everything else in the world, Facebook just doesn't have its advantages. It comes with disadvantages. The disadvantages, according to me, which are very important and has been hampering us for a long period of time, is blackmailing, cyberbullying, and sharing of personal information. Facebook is not a new person to lawsuits. It has been filed over 100 of lawsuits just because and has faced a lot of accusations because of sharing of personal information which belong to its customers. Blackmailing has increased rapidly due to teens and children also using Facebook, and few people like to take advantages of their curiosity and innocence and trap them into blackmailing, which has resulted and caused in murder, kidnapping, and even rape of few victims. Cyberbullying. Facebook is used by various types of people who come from different backgrounds, gender identities. But there are few people who like to spread hate unnecessarily. They have taken unliking to people who are not like them and have made them victims of cyberbullying. But we should not only look at its disadvantages, we should look at its advantages, its positive side, the side which has helped many people build a career, the side which has helped us to expand our boundaries to learn new talents. It has helped us to learn various things like cooking new food items, learning new crafts and hacks. Facebook has helped us to learn about other people's culture, to learn and appreciate our culture also. It has helped us to overcome our insecurities and be confident about ourselves. Facebook has helped people all around the globe to be together. It has helped us to know what is going all around the world. And we are also learning a lot of new things from Facebook. We are getting inspirations and people are overcoming their insecurities, but it has also caused people insecurities. At the end, in my conclusion, I would like to say that Facebook just doesn't have its disadvantages. We should look at its positive side. We should look at the side which has helped the world to be a global village, which has helped us to learn new things. And in my opinion, I think Facebook is a very great application. It is an application which has brought us closer, and we should be really grateful for it. Thank you.